How to become a mystery shopper. If there's one thing better than getting paid hard cash, it's getting paid hard cash to shop or eat at your favorite spots. Sound too good to be true? What is a mystery shopper? Mystery shopping is flexible paid work that involves anonymously visiting businesses to check whether specific standards are being met, e.g., cleanliness and good customer service. Mystery shoppers are assigned tasks after joining one of many consumer research panels. It isn't just about clothes or groceries either. You could find yourself grabbing a free dinner at a restaurant, having your eyesight tested, or even counting trains at a train station. So mystery shopping is also mystery dining, mystery drinking, and mystery train counting? How does mystery shopping work? The process involved in mystery shopping tends to vary from job to job, but most commonly you'll be given a specific set of instructions to read before venturing into a shop or business. Mystery shopping jobs typically include guidelines on what to buy as part of the assessment, normally quite flexible. A list of questions to ask in store. What photographs to take. Details of things to watch out for and to take a mental note of, for example cleanliness, lighting, if you were greeted as you walked in. When you should have your written report submitted by. Other forms of mystery shopping jobs. There are other types of secret shopper jobs, including tasking apps. Most of the time these don't involve actually buying anything, but you'll still need to sneak around a bit. We've got a full guide to the best tasking apps. Postal monitoring. You sign up to have brochures and catalogs sent to your home address and record how long they take to arrive, what state they arrive in, etc. Mystery shopping by phone. This one can even mean starting work before getting out of bed. Telephone mystery shopping involves calling up stores with general questions and assessing, and recording, how these are answered. Email mystery shopping. While it's similar to phone mystery shopping, this method is obviously more for online stores or stores that have a strong online presence. Online survey. This can entail completing product reviews or simply filling out online surveys related to certain brands. How can you earn money as a mystery shopper? The pay for mystery shopping tends to vary dramatically, and in recent years, companies have started offering less money. In the past, some full-time mystery shoppers have reported earning between £30,000 to £40,000 per year, but this is after spending many years on the job and earning a reputation in the industry. Today, you're more likely to be offered work where you won't always receive a cash payment, but will be given a budget to spend in-store, and will be allowed to keep what you buy as a freebie, so make sure you choose something you really want/need. Keep a close eye on what they require you to buy, as often the brief will say you can return the item you bought the same day or later on, but for mystery dining jobs, if the total reimbursement doesn't cover what they're asking you to spend, it may not be worth it. We've seen jobs where £15 was offered for a meal for two at a popular pizza chain, which wouldn't have covered the meal, especially as you're not usually supposed to use vouchers on mystery shops. However, the more difficult a company finds it to get someone to complete a job, the bigger the fee will grow. We've found that jobs in city centers get snapped up pretty quickly, and rates stay low, but if you're out in the sticks, doing mystery shopping can be quite lucrative. Best mystery shopping companies. Here are the best mystery shopper companies to sign up for. Payment, generous. Some are unpaid, like restaurant visits, but you'll receive a free meal out of it. Pros, generous payment. Cons, reporting process is time-consuming. Market force. Payment, very low or just reimbursement for items you buy in store, worth £5-10. Pros, variety of assignments. Cons, customer service. Clickworker. I shop for Ipsos. Payment, usually around €8, €12 plus other bonuses. Pros, no purchases required, possibility to rework and resubmit jobs. Cons, payment in euros only, via PayPal or bank transfer. Nielsen Home Scan. Payment, depends on what products you scan and how often. Pros, free to join, fun to do, established company. Cons, can take a while to accumulate